Welcome to my channel. How to use router as Wi-Fi extender. 1. Reset old router. Start by factory resetting the old router. Wipe out old settings completely. You don't want leftover configurations messing with your network when setting it up again. 2. Place router smartly. Don't put it too far or too close. Middle ground works. Place it where your main Wi-Fi starts dropping but still has enough strength to catch. 3. Change IP address. Set the old router's IP to something different than your main router. Example, if main is 192.168.1.1, make the extender 192.168.1.2. Avoid clashes. 4. Disable DHCP. Turn off DHCP on the old router. You don't want two devices assigning IP addresses. Keep only the main router handling that job to prevent conflicts. 5. Match SSID and password. Use the same Wi-Fi name and password on both routers. That way, your phone or laptop switches automatically without you needing to reconnect every time. 6. Same security type. Keep the security type the same, like WPA2. If one router is WPA2 and the other is WPA3, some devices won't switch smoothly between them. 7. Use LAN cable if possible. Best setup is connecting the old router to the main one with a LAN cable. Signal is cleaner, and you get better speed than wireless repeating. 8. Pick a free channel. Log in and check what channel your main router uses. Put the extender on a different free channel. That avoids both routers clashing with each other. 9. Update firmware. Old routers often run ancient firmware. Update it. Fixes bugs, improves compatibility, and sometimes adds extender features that weren't available before. 10. Test and adjust. Walk around the house with your phone. Check where signal switches between routers. If it's too weak or sticky, move the extender until it balances. Thanks for watching.